Nothing had names, nothing had grades. You just did something but remembered kind of how you'd done it and you'd want to show your mates, sort of thing.
It's just like a form of expression, really.
We never went out looking for the hardest problems.
It's your whiskey of climbing alcohol. You can leave behind really fun little adventures for other people. They can experience little snippets of what you went through.
It was classed as training for the weekend, but then bouldering started to get its own identity really. As bouldering took off, you just went bouldering.
I've still got projects on my list that I'd say are as good as anything that are out there now.
You know, like a good problem should be like immaculate.
What am I doing? Why am I doing this?
You get addicted to it like I did when I was younger.
I think that's the nice thing about climbing. You leave it on the rock and so it gets built year on year.
I mean, I never thought of training for bouldering. You're doing training for bouldering. I mean, it was just, I'd never heard of it.
You can soon get good at it if you push yourself.
It's a good thing about rock and plentiful supply is you've got plenty more bites at the cherry.